Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into a really important topic: how to fix consent required on Instagram. Let's get started. Open the Mobile Settings app on your phone. Scroll down the settings. Tap on the General Settings. Tap on the iPhone Storage. Scroll down to find Instagram. Tap on Instagram app. Click on the Offload app and confirm the Offload app. Now tap on the Reinstall app. Tap the Open app on Instagram. If this trick could not solve your issue, try this one. Open the web browser app on your mobile. Type Instagram.com. Then tap Login. Tap the username. And type password. Tap on the login account. Tap on the Your Profile. Tap on Menu button. Tap on the setting. Now open the security and tap the two-factor authentication. Click the Get Started. Now, choose your security method. Choose the WhatsApp authentication app or text message. That's it. Thanks for joining me. Like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more.